Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's PIN pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock, and you have tried a lots of video to unlock your smartphone, but still now you're not success to unlock your smartphone. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure your phone is going to be unlocked at the end of this video, but you will have to watch this video till the end, because the every step what I'm going to give you in this video is most important to unlock your smartphone. So don't skip a single step in this video. And further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes these type of method don't work on your smartphone to unlock your smartphone. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this method, then you may also take help of my next upcoming videos or older videos. And for this, you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of today's video, then it's okay. You should also like this video to give us encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be shut down. Now you can see here my phone's telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network showing at the top of the phone. So simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. Now you can see here there is an option of a airplane mode. So simply you will have to activate your phone's airplane mode. After activating your phone's airplane mode, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network will be closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. But before going to the master unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and the main thing is that your phone's all the background running application should be closed, because it's most important to go to the master unlocking method. You should close your all the background running application, and generally it is not possible to close the background running application. So there are some special secret codes which generated by the every brand service center to close the background running application. Okay, so simply you will have to feed this secret code in your dialing pad. So simply you will have to go with the button of a emergency SOS option, and when you will go with the emergency SOS option, you will have to open your dialing pad like this. Now you can see here there is a dialing pad. Now you will have to feed the special secret code to close the background running application, and today's recent secret code what I am going to give you will be valid only for 2 or 3 days. Okay, so today's recent secret code is star 111, then star 2323 555, then star 99, then hash. Okay, now you can see here this is the special secret code. Now after feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code. At the first time when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. Okay, but you have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to call on this secret code 3 times continuously. After call on this secret code 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. After this, simply you will have to clear your call log like this. Now I'm going to give you a special USSD code that will switch your phones to the master unlocking mode page, and the special USSD code is star hash 899, then hash. Now you can see here after feeding this number star hash 899 hash, a new page has been appeared, and the page name is after sales page. Now you will get a lots of option on this page, but you can see here there is an option of a manual test option at the 4th number. Simply you will have to go with this manual test option, and when you will go with this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and the page name is engineers mode page. You will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side, and you will have to reach to the option of other, which will comes at the end of the slide. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test at the 2nd number. Now simply you will have to click on this read write important lock test option, and at the first time when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will get a pop-up of a confirm. Okay, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the cancel button. Again at the second time you will have to do the same, and the third time you will have to again cancel here. But at the fourth time, when you will go with this retry important lock test option, you will have to go with the OK button. And when you will go with the OK button, now it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and password has been removed. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Okay, but before going with the new pin pattern and password lock, firstly you will have to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. Okay, now how will you check whether your phone has been unlocked or not? So simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Okay, so simply you will have to go with this home button. Now I'm going to check here whether my phone has been unlocked or not. Now you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked and all the applications which were in my smartphone when my phone was locked as it is as in my smartphone. It means this trick really works. And if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of today's video, then make a comment in my comment box which type of issues you are facing to unlocking your smartphone. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.